This tutorial review will show you how to remove a watermark in Photoshop. Import your photo. Select the layer. Click on Select. Color Range. Click on the watermark. OK. Now click on Select. Modify. Expand. Give here a value according to your needs. I'm giving here 3. Click on OK. Click on Edit. Fill. Make sure to select Content Error. OK. Press Ctrl D to deselect. As we can see, the watermark has been removed. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.